Hello students, today we discuss about velocity and acceleration diagram in 4-bar chain. In 4-bar chain, it has 4 links: frame, crank, coupler and rocker. The frame as fixed. In this link, the frame as fixed, the crank as rotate, then the coupler and rocker are oscillate. Example, running a bicycle, oil pump, vice grips. Then we move to the directive problem. PQRS is a 4-bar chain with link PS fixed. The length of the links are PQ equal to 62.5 and QR equal to 175 mm, RS equal to 112.5 mm and PS equal to 200 mm. The crank PQ rotates at 10 radian per second clockwise. Draw the velocity and acceleration diagram when angle QPS equal to 60 degree and Q and R lie on the same side of PS. Find the angular velocity and angular acceleration of links QR and RS. First, write the given data. The angular velocity of QP equal to 10 radian per second, PQ equal to 62.5 mm, convert into the meter, and QR equal to 175 mm, RS equal to 112.5 mm, PS equal to 200 mm. First, draw the configuration diagram. Draw a straight line for 200 mm PS. From P, draw a straight line for 60 degree. Then PQ equal to 62.5. Cut here 62.5. Mark it as Q. Then from Q, draw an arc for 175 mm. Then from S, draw an arc for 112.5 mm. You will get the arc point. Next, velocity diagram. For velocity equal to angular velocity into distance. In this problem, they given angular velocity of QP. So the velocity of QP equal to angular velocity 10 into distance 0.0625 equal to 0.625 meter per second. Velocity diagram. Velocity diagram is perpendicular to configuration diagram. Draw a 3 links perpendicular to the configuration diagram. PS as fixed, QP clockwise direction. Draw a straight line in clockwise direction for 0.625. You take it as 6.25. Then draw a perpendicular line for QR. Then draw a perpendicular line for RS. You get a point of R. From this diagram, you can get the velocity of QR and velocity of RS. From this value, you can get the angular velocity of QR and SR. Angular velocity equal to velocity by distance. You can get the value of angular velocity of QR and angular velocity of RS. Next, radial acceleration. We know the velocity value of PQ, QR and RS. Can find the radial acceleration. Acceleration equal to velocity square by distance. Can find the angular velocity, radial acceleration of QP, RQ and RS. Then acceleration diagram. In acceleration diagram, it has two acceleration, radial acceleration and tangential acceleration. Then in rotation, it has only radial acceleration. If the link oscillate or reciprocate, it has radial acceleration and tangential acceleration. The link PQ has radial acceleration, the crank PQ crank radial acceleration only, it has rotate parallel to the configuration diagram. Then link QR, it has oscillate, it has both radial and tangential acceleration. Likewise RS, it has radial and tangential acceleration. Radial acceleration values already we find configuration diagram. Then draw a straight line parallel to PQ. Crank rotate only, so PQ, draw a straight line parallel to PQ 6.25. Then next mark the points is draw a parallel lines to QR, radial acceleration. Then from the QR mark it as S, QR, radial acceleration, to draw a perpendicular direction, draw a tangential acceleration perpendicular. Next RS, parallel to RS, then perpendicular line, the both line can meet the point R. From R dash you can draw a straight line R dash and Q dash. Then again draw a straight line R dash and P dash. From this diagram you can calculate the tangential acceleration values directly. From tangential you can calculate the angular acceleration. Thank you.